Okay, now it's time for eating. I'm so excited to eat it. You just open it very easy, the plastic, and just take it off the plastic. Oh, so yummy. Good smell, fresh. Let's do it. All taste, you can feel different tastes together. It's very nice combination. You will love it. I cannot tell you how much delicious. I love it. And garlic has a very essential role. Together, combination and garlic together. This sandwich is never enough for me. Because I don't know when I'm going to raw vegan, how I have to remove this food from my menu because I'm going to raw. So thank you, my friends, and please subscribe me and click the bell. I will upload very special videos for some foods you cannot believe it. Just follow me. Goodbye.